We have the open houses are here so that we can open our facility up to the community so that they could see what we're working on. We had Chris Erb, who is our builder. We had Aquaparian, which is environmental. We had a civil engineer. We had Chris from Wakefield Acoustics, who is a sound specialist. The 2 open houses are part of our community engagement plan, and it's to allow people to see what we're visualizing for phase 2 and ask meaningful questions to people that should give them an answer. Everybody that we've hired is an expert in their field, and it was meant that people could ask them hard questions, but get correct answers, not guesses, not misinformation, not anecdotal information, because life is real numbers, you know, sound is real numbers. The environment relies on real action, not on people's intention.
I think it's been a good experience for the public to have an opportunity to look at the actual plans and perhaps dispel some of the rumors that were flying around the community.
By and large, it's been positive. I think that people are just curious and they want to know what the difference is between this circuit and what the proposed circuit is.
Phase 2 will help us serve our members and serve our community better in having a more flexible circuit.
Well, the quality of the facility, I think, is second to none. So I think for Vancouver Island, for the Cowichan Valley, I think it's something they should be proud of. And in the end, when we're doing it, the amount of people that it brings to the valley, I think, is huge as well. And experience the valley in all aspects.
Well, I think we're a proud member of the community in the sense that a business this size generates a great amount of tax, a great amount of income into the community. So we want to have significant partners, and we have many, down to food suppliers, people that do our paving, people that do our work, people that we buy wine from. That's all part of integrating a good community, and we're very proud of and very happy with the members of our community.